Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about this article. Can astrology predict the future accurately? The answer is yes. Predictions made by me on the 23rd May 2020 prove spot on. You see, first of all, I had made the prediction for the coronavirus which will spread from China on the 17th September 2019, because that eclipse of the 26th December 2019 was taking place in the 12th house over the 12th Lord Jupiter, which was fallen in the 22nd Resh Kone in the foundation chart of China, and the dasha was of Mercury, which started in September. And Mercury is the Lord of the 6th house and the 9th house, and is totally eclipsed in the 9th house with Ketu. Any planet, as per the South Indian techniques and Tamil classics, when he owns two houses and if he is placed in one house, then he loses the lordship of the other house. Since in the case of China, Mercury loses the lordship of the 6th house and Mercury is totally eclipsed by Ketu, China is prone to diseases and virus. And this Mercury was also involved in the eclipse of the 26th December 2019, when the eclipse took place in Mula Nakshatra, and all the planets, 6 planets were there in the sign Sagittarius, and Ketu was also there, the lord of the Mula. Now, I had compared the planetary positions with Spanish flu, and I came to the conclusion that two conclusions I had come. One, that the coronavirus will not ease till Ketu is there in the stars Mula and Jyestha, for reasons explained in the article. It's a long article. I cannot discuss it. It will take about 1 hour, but I'll give you the nutshell that Mula star and Jyestha star are the Gandanta stars, and they are the most malefic stars, and world's most tragic happenings take place in the star Jyestha and Mula. If you pull out any episode, you will find Mars in Jyestha and tragic events have happened. So, and then the Jyestha star is in the sign Scorpio, and Ketu is transiting in the star. First Ketu transits in Sagittarius in a mutable sign, and then it transits after the 20th September 2020 in the sign Scorpio. I had written so many articles. If you pull out, crystal clear, I had written that we will not get any ease. We will have to live with coronavirus well in 2021 if you pull out all my articles. And this specific article, research article, I had written that and we will have success in developing the vaccine, especially when Mars is in the sign Aries, in Ashwini Nakshatra especially, from the 24th December to 22nd February, and you can see for yourself that there was success in the vaccines development during that period. But these vaccines will have some constraints till the time Ketu is in the star Jyestha. After Ketu ingresses in the sign Anuradha on the 10th May 2021, we will start getting success and then ease from coronavirus. I have discussed each and every parameter. I have discussed by n number of parameters as far as the virus is concerned. Maybe it is the Pisces new moon chart, maybe it is comparing with the Pisces new moon chart of the 2020, 21 and 21, 22, and maybe it is as per the D6 and D8 charts, and as per the chart of the India Foundation chart. So all charts have been discussed, and this was the research article which I wrote on the 23rd May 2020, and then it was reproduced on 23rd December 2020. That look, people, friends, whatever I had predicted, it's coming true. Even my prediction of the virus spreading from China of the 17th September 2019 proved spot on. There was not even a single astrologer who clearly pointed out that it will be the virus which will influence the complete world. people were talking that we will have world war. Where is the world war? So friend, because the simple reason is that all the astrologers are using natal astrology for mundane activities, and it's just not possible. You have to use the mundane principles, and according to the mundane principles, all my predictions, whatever have been made till date, are spot on. I have written about 1560 articles, and you can pull out if I have the correct data, all my predictions are correct. Leaving aside the financial astrology, because financial astrology is very difficult and no research has been made. But even on the financial astrologies, whatever sensitive dates I have given, the market has taken a hit. Whether it has taken a hit for a longer period or not, but my dates have proved spot on. You look for after the 12th of April, the market went down by almost 1700 and 1800 points. Then other dates, whatever all I have given, they have all proved spot on. Now the government is pumping in money, the Reserve Bank is pumping in money, so obviously the stock market has to survive, because that is the economy of the country. So, but friends, wait and see. The 24th, after the 12th April, as I mentioned, and 24th April to 18th May is the most prone time, for the other happenings can take, other malefic happenings like natural calamities, earthquakes, etc. can also take place in the time frames what I mentioned. But as far as virus is concerned, friends, the peak time will be from 12th April to 18th May 2021, and then slowly it will ease down. And when Rahu also leaves Rohini Nakshatra, and then when Rahu Ketu leave this Taurus and Scorpio sign on the 17th April 2021, and then finally when there is exchange between the nakshatras of Rahu and Ketu, and when Rahu is in Aries and Ketu is in Libra, that will be probably 8th of February 2023. But because of the medical development and vaccines, we will definitely get some cure, and the medicines and vaccine will start influencing in a positive way after the 10th May. You wait and see. After the 10th May, things will totally change, for the reason that Ketu will ingress in Anuradha star from Jyestha. Jyestha is the most malefic star because of being Gandanta, and this star is also considered as far as crippling diseases are concerned. You read my complete article. I cannot discuss each and everything, but I can tell you astrology can predict everything, and that's where the whole thing lies. That my predictions of 17 September 2019 proved accurately spot on, and then these predictions for vaccines and virus, which was made on the 23rd of May 2020, have also proved spot on. I had written long back that even after Ketu ingressing in Jyestha, there will be spike in the coronavirus, and especially near when Mars is also afflicting, Mars is forming a Angarak Yoga, and Mars will be afflicting Ketu in the Jyestha star by 7th aspect. So this is all, friends. I just wanted to share that astrology can predict, Indian astrology can predict anything. So friends, thank you for listening to me. Have a good day, and bye bye.